ever video because I did not know how to post videos when I was like starting. It's gonna be my first video, and this is going over this new update Immigrant Corner. Let's go inside. So we're at the table. So first I'm gonna go over the new food we got new Taki chicken and blue Taki chicken. And in ramen we got nothing new. We got a whole sushi section. With the foodie is overlaid with pizza and tacos and sticks. Wow. We got so many more new drinks. I will name the things later until it's recently. And snacks, we got the This is Uzuruku, this is Uzuruku Low, and this is 2X Uzuruku. Salmon Crunch, Octopus, Spicy Octopus, then Salmon Pizza, Tuna Pizza, Uzuruku Pizza, Sushi Taco, Tuna Taco, Salmon Taco, Salmon, Tuna, Tuna, Yellowfish, Uzuruku, not Uzuruku. Chocolate milk, banana milk, blueberry milk, and matcha milk. Woo! There's a pack to get in the pack. Sashimi, tuna sashimi, yellowtail sashimi, rohada sashimi, sea bass sashimi, what? Sashimi? I forgot. Okay. Organic sashimi, grounded sashimi, uzuruku sashimi. They really outdid themselves in this update. Like, see? Now that we're done, let's go over to this room. Dining area where people are right now eating.
follow the signs to claim your own room. Have a comfy stay.
Make sure you got your own room. I got this free claw from someone. Okay. Now.
Hello, please follow the signs to
Shut
claim your
up!
own room. Have a comfy stay.
Now I will not. And a lot of people also don't know about this, which is this by the dock. Like, you can actually swim in the water at by the dock, like eating area. There's 2. No, 3. Yeah, only 3. I really super duper love this update. Let's check out what this guy is eating. Lot of soda. Love the update. I love it. Now you can do like color coded like mukbang videos where like you can like only order one color of food because there's like super different colors of food. And also right here overall, I love this one.